Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if on your iPhone 12 5G not working, so I will show you an example of iPhone X because I don't have iPhone 12. So for doing this, just for fixing this error, just go to the settings, just find your mobile data, just open it, or cellular data, and here you will see mobile data or cellular data options. So just tap on it, and now you need to see voice and data. So just tap on it, and here you will see 5G. So just check if you successfully choose 5G here in voice and data. If not, just choose it. So after, just try again to use your mobile data, just turn it on here and try to use internet. So if 5G doesn't work again, so just go to the general. In the general you need to find your reset, just tap on reset, and here you need to choose reset network settings. So just tap on it and just submit resetting network settings. So if you still have this error, so just go back, just find your shutdown, just slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just restart your iPhone. If it doesn't help you too, so you can also try another way. So just make force restart on your phone. So just tap on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button. Just keep holding this button until you will see black screen. So just keep holding power button. So just wait some time and just release your finger from power button. So now we need to see Apple logo. When we will see Apple logo, it means that we successfully made force restart. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.